on, birdie. Out the door. Come on.
There you go. Keep making your way that direction.
Let's go, dude. Come on.
Been a rough day, hasn't it? There we go.
Oh, come on. Oh! Ow!
Freak out. No, not yet. Because I tried to catch him in the sheet. He got out. Got him. He's a little pissed.
Oh, that's all right. I'll pick the picture up. You crashed a party, dude.
All right, we done with the bird?
Yeah, let him out.
Anybody else want to see the bird? So here's the bird.
What bird?
This is the bird I caught.
It's the bird you caught in the fireplace.
That's right.
Okay, let him go.
What
There it goes.